fantasy football league.
With the first pick.
Is pick one a good thing?
Yeah.
Who got who got
My nigga.
Oh! What you gonna vote for come September?
Oh, you
Speed?
got bailed
What
out.
you,
You
now
got
that
bailed out.
you
That's a
hit the damn jackpot.
He didn't even want it.
Dude,
I
that's
can
a,
trade this
dude,
next
that's
time.
a freaking bailout.
Smitty.
There it is.
I
You wanna see
deserve
it?
it.
Yeah,
You
there's
deserve it.
documentation.
Last 5 years,
Wow.
I didn't like the
Wow.
last 3 or 4 picks. And this
All
year I
right,
got
number
it.
2. Here it comes.
Give it to
Josh,
me.
you got it?
Give it to me.
Chris
Jones.
Jones.
Oh.
You know the funny thing is, though, Kelly?
Yeah,
That's what
right.
I should
We
pick.
love you, Chris.
Yeah,
What
that's
you got?
should be my
No,
pick.
yeah,
Number
you're exactly
3.
right.
Because then I won't pick again for
Corey.
forever.
Corey.
Oh, imagine that. I'm already going down the hole.
Number 3, Corey. Number 4,
Won't be
Lenny.
me.
Lenny.
Oh, yeah, Lenny always
Won't
got
be
a good
me.
pick.
Yeah, watch this negative attitude.
Yeah, watch it. I have nothing to do with my attitude. Has nothing to do with how he draws out of this.
Kelly.
Yes. Yes.
Now it's a grade. He's a change.
I love this rule. Not really.
6.
Fucking gay.
Wes.
Wes Hunter. Watch, I'm gonna get 12, and I'm gonna vote against it.
Squash.
Yeah.
Squashy.
Finish shirt 12.
Shane.
Number 8, Shane.
Oh, this is
Here we go to
looking
number 9,
Charlie.
Charlie.
Good Fisher, you deserve.
Oh,
it.
I got Bigwood and Big second rounder, and they're both at the end. Oh,
You're not last, but you're close to it.
Fisher 10, and then it's got to be Bigwood Bake in some order.
Bake.
Bigwood got baked.
Big Bigwood. Oh
Bigwood
man,
got baked tonight.
I got burned by that roll this year. That's
Hey.
another thing too, is when you
Why
make
doesn't this say Bigwood? I'm just kidding. It says Bigwood.
Yeah. And there you have it. Adios.
Fuck y'all bitches.